You're watching KSG News Explainer. In this video, we are going to talk about Nord Stream 1 shutdown. This is for GS Paper 2, International Relations. The Nord Stream 1, Germany's main source of gas from Russia, was shut down for 10 days for scheduled maintenance work. There are growing concerns in European countries that Russia would extend the temporary suspension of gas supplies in retaliation against the current sanctions leveled against Moscow. The Nord Stream 2 pipeline, which was completed in September 2021 and would double the flow of direct Russian gas to Germany, was suspended in February in response to the invasion of Ukraine. Now, what is Nord Stream 1? Nord Stream 1 is a 1,224 kilometer underwater gas pipeline that runs from Vyborg in northwest Russia to Lublin in northeastern Germany via the Baltic Sea. Majority owned by the Russian energy giant Gazprom, the pipeline is the primary route through which its gas enters Germany, as reported by Reuters. It transports 55 billion cubic meters of gas a year, of which most goes directly to Germany, while the rest travels west and southwards through onshore links to other countries and into storage caverns. During its inauguration in November 2011, the former German Chancellor Angela Merkel said the pipeline, which cost 7.4 billion euros, paved the way for a safe, sustainable partnership with Russia in the future. Germany is Russia's biggest European gas consumer, and most of it comes through the Nord Stream pipeline. Its share of Russian gas supplies was 55% in 2021 and currently lies at 35%. That's it for this explainer. Thank you so much for watching. To join KSG India courses and to crack the ICE exam, visit ksgindia.com. You can also get a PDF of this explainer on ksgindia.com. Thanks for watching.